How to log into the Shopify app on iPad. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log into the Shopify app on iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to log into the Shopify application on your iPad, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Shopify application that you can find here. And once you launch a Shopify app on iPad, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you can choose to tap the get started option to create an account if you haven't done so. But if you have an account, you can just make sure to tap the login button here and then just tap on continue. Over here it will actually open up in a pop-up in a browser where you have to make sure to log in with your email address here. Now in case your Shopify account is linked with either of your Apple ID, your Facebook account or your Google account, you can make sure to go ahead and then basically log in using those, or you can directly enter the email, tap the continued email option, make sure to enter your password, and then from there onwards your Shopify account will get successfully logged in. This way you'll be able to log into Shopify on iPad. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.